let us discuss lines and angles. Few questions. Find the complement of 73 degree. We know two angles are complementary if their sum is 90 degree. So one angle is given, that is 73 degree. Other angles we can find it out by subtracting from the 90 degree. So we can find it out. Complement of 73 degree, that will be 90 degree minus 73 degree. So it comes out to be 17 degree. Similarly, find the supplement of supplement. Now we know two angles are supplementary if their sum is 180 degree. So what will be the supplement of 122 degree? So we have to subtract 122 degree from 180 degree. So it comes out to be 58 degree. So this way we can find it out. Next is two lines are intersecting each other at the point O and one angle is given BOD, that is 125 degree. We have to find out the other angles, that is angle BOC, this angle BOC, then AOC and then AOD. So these angles we have to find out. So first of all, see, angle BOD and angle AOC, both of these angles are vertically opposite angle and these angles will be equal. So we can write it down, angle AOC is equal to angle BOD. What is the reason here? Vertically opposite angles. So it will be equal to 125 degree. Now we can find out this angle. See, if we leave these below angles, then CD is a straight line and on a straight line we have a linear pair, and if we know one angle we can find out the other one. So we can find it out, angle BOD plus angle BOC is equal to 180 degree. So what is the reason here? Linear pair. So we will put the value 125 degree plus angle BOC is equal to 180 degree. Now here, from here we can find out angle BOC by subtraction, 180 minus 125. So it comes out to be 55 degree. Now see, this angle and this angle, both of these are vertically opposite. So we can write here angle AOD is equal to angle BOC, which is equal to 55 degree. Again the same reason, vertically opposite angles. So this way we can find it out. Next is, there is a line AB and there are three angles downwards. Two rays are there, OC and OD. They are making three angles. First is x degree, then x plus 10 degree, then 2x plus 10 degree. We have to find x. Now we know angles on a straight line are equal to 180 degree. So we will add all these angles that add it up to 180 degree. Now we will solve it. We will add up all the x terms, x plus x, 2x plus 2x, that is 4x plus 10 plus 10, 20. Now transpose 20 to right hand side. So it will become minus 20, that is 160 degree. Now we will divide 160 degree by 4. So x comes out to be 40 degree. Next is, check whether L is parallel to M or not. We are given here this diagram. This angle is 120, this angle is 60 degree. N is the transversal and L and M two parallel lines are here. So we have to check whether it is parallel or not. Now let us see these two angles, 120 degree and 60 degree. Let us find out the sum of these angles, 120 degree plus 60 degree, that comes out to be 180 degree. It means exterior angles on same side of transversal are supplementary. So this result holds here. So we can say that L is parallel to M. Next is two lines are given, parallel lines P and Q. L is the transversal. There are few angles are given, X, Y, R and Z. Now Z is given here, that is 110 degree. We have to find the other angles, that is angle X, angle Y and angle R. Now see, Z is vertically opposite to angle R. So we can find it out. Angle R is equal to angle Z is equal to 110 degree. So what is the reason here? Vertically opposite angles. Now see, now we know R here, R and X both are corresponding angles. So we can write here angle R is equal to angle X is equal to 110 because of corresponding angles, because two lines are parallel given. So angle X we find it out. Now we can find out Y here, because angles on a straight line, it is making the linear pair. So we can find out angle X plus angle Y is equal to 180 degree by using the property of linear pair. So we know 110 X's and Y can be find out. Now we will transpose, it will come out to be 70 degree. So using the results of parallel lines, we can find out the angles. Next is, if L is parallel to M, then find the unknown angles. We are given here two lines, L and M are parallel, and this line is the transversal here, and one angle is given. We have to find all other angles, unknown angles. Now first of all we will start with the vertically opposite. 65 is vertically opposite to angle F. So we can write here angle F is equal to 65 degree. That is vertically opposite angles. Now these are vertically opposite. Now we can find out angle E here, because this is a straight line. So here angle E plus 65 degree is equal to 180 degree. So here it is linear pair. So angle E can be find out by subtraction, minus 65 degree. So it comes out to be 115 degree. Now if E angle is known, then G will be known also, because both of these are vertically opposite. So you will write angle G is equal to angle E is equal to 115 vertically opposite angles. Now all of these four angles are known. So both of these lines are parallel. It means all these angles will be corresponding to these angles. So we can find it out. So you can write angle A is 65 degree. Angle B is 115, angle C is 65 and angle D is 115. All of these are having the reason of corresponding angles. So this way we can find it out and using the result. So we have used the main results here: vertically opposite, linear pair and corresponding angles. I hope you understand it. Thank you so much.